Hello students, good afternoon everybody. We have in before class we have already discussed the SGP 1 of our the Olympic Games. In that portion we have discussed about the origin of Olympic Games and some stories regarding that games. And also we have already discussed about some questions also, and I think you have done all these questions, comprehension questions. There are about 15 questions. So now today we will proceed ahead our SGP 2. In the part is consist of 3 passages. So in this passage, how the game remodified and also organized afterward. So a person, a Frenchman, he also implemented or he also applied some specific remodification in that game. Now you all of this your book and see the point number 4. Many hundred years later, in 1896, a young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. A person, his name, what is his name? His name was Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He also implemented or organized, he applied some remodification to that games. And he was also a Frenchman. He belonged to France. And many hundreds years later, then after many hundred years passed away, in 1896, a young Frenchman, the man who belonged in France, named Baron Pierre de Coubertin, started the modern Olympic Games. What was his name? Baron Pierre the name of that young man. And he also a Frenchman. The man belonged to France. So he also started the modern Olympics. He also remodified that games and also started named that as the modern Olympic Games. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. Now, what did he want? He wanted that people should compete in that game in a friendly spirit from all over the world. एठी हमरा कुआगला हमर ओलंपिक गेम जो भाबरे हमर चालू थिला ता परवर्ती समय रे 1896 रे जाने फ्रांस रो जाने व्यक्ति विशेष जे कि तंकर नाम था बैरन पियरे डी कौबर्टिन से कामले किछि मॉडिफाई करले किछि चेंज करले अब चेंज करी पूरी ओलंपिक गेम को से कामले ऑर्गेनाइज करलो को चाहिए. He wanted people से कौन चाहते से चाहते all over country रो participants जन players माने participate करते से कौन करते से माने ଗୋଟେ friendly spirit कंट्री मान भितर से चिंताधारा पोषण करके से भाया किसी रिमोडिफिकेशन करते। देन कम टू नंबर 5 पॉइंट। Number 5 point, Olympics your book. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. Now, as usual, it also held once in every 4 years. The Olympic Games, Olympic symbol with 5 rings stands for the unity of the 5 continents. The 5 rings, they also, part of this stand, they stand for the unity of the 5 continents. Continents महादेश पांचटी कंटिनेंट रो यूनिटी केमिति बढ़ी परबो से मान को भीतर एकता केमिति रक्षा हे परबो सेति पई ताको प्रेजेंट करके हमरो पांचटी रिंग रो व्यवहार करा जाय साइन भाग में व्यवहार करबी। At least one of the color of the ring, blue, black, red, yellow and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. Now, the color of these rings, they are different. What are the colors? Blue, black, red, yellow, green. These 5 color rings, they also appears for what? Appears means they indicates, they shows presence. Appears means here presence in the flag of each country that is. प्रत्येक कंट्री रो फ्लैग मानकरे से कलर कौन स्थान पाइछि। The Olympic motto written in Latin is Olympic motto. Motto means what? Motto means the aim, आदर्श। aim, आदर्श, so hereby आदर्श व लक्ष्य भी हम कहिबा। ओलंपिक मट्टो हमर कोन थिला देखो इन लैटिन रे लिखा है कोन स्वीटर, हायर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर। The 3 things that consist of 3 things. The motto that consists of 3 things. What? Swifter, higher and stronger. Swifter means what? शीघ्रतर। Swifter Olympic motto that is swifter, higher and stronger. Olympic game of motto थिला swifter, higher and stronger. These 3 things the Olympic Games consist of. The aim of the Olympic Games. The aim of the Olympic Games to build up the unity or integration among the countries. And again, its aim that is motto that is swifter, higher, stronger. That means swifter शीघ्रतर, उच्चतर और stronger है शक्तिशाली अधिक। Coveting felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. Coveting said it means what? It means this motto what will do this motto. He thought that this type of motto now that also inspired our athletes very much all over the world. आमर पृथ्वी विभिन्न अंचल विभिन्न कंट्री मानकर एथलेट मान बहुत उत्साह प्रेरणा दब से प्रकार मटो को से पुट अप करछनी तापर 6 नंबर पॉइंट को देखो वीक्स बिफोर द गेम्स बिगिन ए वुमन dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch in the Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants take turns and with the torch through different countries, and the final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. It is time for all the athletes to return home. There are some winners and many losers also. They think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. And many of them feel happy that although they did not win, they had the chance to compete against the best players in the field. Perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice of Baron de Coubertin gave, and his message to all the Olympic participants was the most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. So in 6 point, now we will proceed ahead towards 6 point. So hereby in 6 point, weeks before the games begin, a woman dressed in Greek robes. Robes means what? A kind of dress. So a dress, a kind of dress. But lights the Olympic torch, robes. Week before, when it started, before a week, when it will start, when the game will start, before a week, all sorts of preparation, that also, from very beginning, that also made thereby. But after, before a week, to be started, what? A woman dressed in Greek robes. Robes means a kind of dress. Then Rose lights the Olympic torch. Then she also lights the Olympic as the signal of starting of the game. Lights the Olympic torch in the Olympia Valley in Greece. In the Olympia Valley in Greece, a Greek woman also by putting herself by wearing a special dress, Greek robes, that is called. She also lights a torch with Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants take turns. Then after participants also take turns one by one. After them they also participated and one by one with the torch through different countries. Many participants take turns. Means they also joined. What? To lighting the lamp. The final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. Then the final runner also, he also carries that lamp to where? To the stadium just before the games begin. Just before the games begin. गेम आरंभ होगा पूर्व फाइनल रनर जोटी से माने सब प्लेयर्स माने पार्टिसिपेंट्स माने जनक पर जणे से माने सेठी सब पार्टिसिपेट करके से जो लैम्प टाको से माने कैरी करके नियंती और तापरे कैरी करने की से माने फाइनल जो स्टेडियम रे हवा उठबो सेठी से माने पुट करंती जोटा की फाइनल रनर किछि समय पूर्व खेल आरंभ होगार किछि समय पूर्व सी कौन करे आसिक से स्टेडियम में कौन लाइटनिंग करे द ओलंपिक फ्लेम is then kept burning until the game closes. Then after the Olympic game also, Olympic flame, when they lighting the lamp, then after then the Olympic flame that also burning, that burning till what? Till the game close. खेल समाप्ति होगा पर्यंत से ओलंपिक जो लाइटनिंग होता से फ्लेमटा प्रज्वलित होगी रहे द फ्लेम इज पुट आउट एट द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी ना एट द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी द फ्लेम इज पुट आउट मीन्स ना एक्सटिंग्विश जितेबाला खेल समाप्त हुए खेल समाप्त होगा दिन में कौन करा जाए ओलंपिक से फ्लेम टाको पुट आउट करा जाए लिवे दिया जाए इट इज टाइम फॉर ऑल द एथलीट्स टू रिटर्न होम that means after then the athletes who participated from different countries then after they also started to leave the place. And there are some winners and many losers in that game. Some of athletes, some of players, they also winners and some of they are also losers. They also what? They also they don't win. They losers. The losers means they also defeated thereby, and they take about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the game. They think about it. That time, though they are losers, the loser players, though they are losers, still then they also they didn't regret for that. Because they don't regret for that because by thinking about their hard labor or their hard work or their hard preparation for the game and also the kind of training, the training which they get, they also training that they had to do come to the game, to join that game. They also before they got special very hard training also. So by thinking about that they also felt a kind of what? Joy themselves. And many of them feel happy that बहुत जने कौन मन भी खुशी करते केमती although they didn't win जदि बा से माने win करि पाना तथापि से माने आनंदित होंगे. They had the chance to compete against the best players in the field. से माने कहीं खुशी होंगे आनंदित होंगे कारण से माने जो सुजोग पाइले कासे तो compete करबा पाई गोटे another the best player मान को चाहिए they have to compete with the against the best players in the field. That's why they also felt very happy. And perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice that Baron Coubertin gave. Now, because here the writer says that perhaps the players, though they losers, still then they didn't feel any kind of regretness. So that's why, for what? Because they think about their hard labor, and also they got a chance to what, to compete with best players all over the world. So that's why they also became themselves very satisfied thereby. So that's why perhaps they also remember wonderful advice that Baron Coverton gave. Now both way, perhaps means kind both way. ସେମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତି ଯେ ବୋଧେ ସେମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତି କଭର୍ଟିଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ମୋଟୋ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏମ୍ସ ସେଟାକୁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିକି ସେମାନେ ମନ ନିଜକୁ ଖୁସି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. His message to all the Olympic participants was his message. Whose message? Coverton's message. The most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Now Coverton said that the most important thing for the participants that is not to win, not to get success, but to participate. They think about, so the players who defeated, who losers, they also think about that, and also they became themselves very happy. Here by some comprehension questions afterward, and all of you see. Number one question, that is, when did the modern Olympic Games started? Games started. Then number two question, that is, who started games? Then number three, that is, what country did he belong to? Did he belong to? The number four question, here by another one. Why did he start it? So these are the four questions. Now all of you see that when did the modern Olympic Games start? It starts in which year? The modern Olympic Games started in year 1896. It started in 1896 in the year. In 1896. Then after, who started them? Baron, a French young man, Baron Pierre de Coubertin started that. Then another one question, what country did he belong to? He belonged to the country France. And why did he start it? Because he started that modern Olympic game. Why? Because he wanted people from all over the world, they should participate in that game, and also then after they could get a chance to participate, whereas all over the country a great unity sense that will be created. Clear? All these things can decide these 4 questions. Other questions are also, you have to see and try to answer them. Thank you everybody.